Hello students, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to plug in values into a rational function to determine additional points for graphing purposes. Now normally when we plug in values, we traditionally would have a vertical table for our x and our y values, but we can also use a horizontal table for our x and our y values. And in this specific problem, I'm going to use a horizontal table. I'm going to plug in -9 in for my x to find my y value, or my f of -9 value, so that I can determine what this point is when x is -9 on my graph. So to do that, in parentheses, I'm going to replace my x with -9 everywhere that there is an x in my function. And then I could do the arithmetic all by hand, or I could also plug this into my calculator. My calculator of choice for this type of problem would be the TI 30XS Multiview. I would simply use my fraction bar, and in my numerator, I would put in parentheses -9 to the second power plus parentheses -9 minus 42, and in my denominator, I would put -9 minus 7. Enter. And I get a -15/8, which I can also do my little arrows here, which is approximately -1.875. So I'm going over 9 and I'm going down, so it's about right there. I could go back. Now what's nice about this calculator, to hit it in my -8, I just simply go up to my previous work and I go over and I change my -9 to -8. And I push enter, and I get -14/15, which is, again, is just right above. Again, now I'm going to put in a -1 into my calculator. Enter. 21/4. And now I'm going to go up and I'm going to put a fraction. This takes a little bit more work because I have to put my fraction. I'm going to put my fraction key, and I'm going to put 15/2. So I have 15 divided by 2, and I am subtracting. I'm going to have to delete that negative there, delete that 1, minus 7. I have to go back up to the top and do the same thing and put a fraction, 2 on my denominator, 15 on my top. I have to delete my negative. And push enter, and I get 87/2. And my last value I need is a 10. So I'm going to replace all of those. I can delete that. Go over here, 0 there. and enter, and I get 68/3. And then again, I can always change those into decimal if I want to have a better way of 22.6. So it's going to be way up here. So anyway, that's how you simply plug in values into a rational function to determine, given the x values, to determine the y values. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.